If you're a girl and you are watching this video and you are saying, God, when, oh, God, when, oh, when will my boyfriend propose to me, oh, and you don't know how to cook, my sister, if you say don't know food na the one of the way to get a man. Men don joke with that belly. When it comes to food, men don joke with that belly. So learn how to cook. At least make you use food hold am. I know say dem go still cheat oh, but use food hold am so that anywhere wey you dey, you go dey remember say, my girlfriend sabi to cook oh, my girlfriend sabi to do this oh. So from there, you go dey come back house all the time. So join me, let's prepare this delicious ofe akwu. It's one of Igbo native stew. We call it ofe akwu banga stew. So my sister, learn how to cook, not just for your boyfriend or your husband or for your family. You can also start food business. You know, say for this country, things are very hard. But for food sellers, then they sell their food always, because no matter how things dey, person must chop. So join me, let's cook. Before I started cooking my ofe akwu, I first of all wash the akwu and boil it. As I'm waiting for the akwu to get done, I said let me peel my scent leaf, nchang, wash it and cut it as you guys are seeing, so that it will be easy for me to cook. So guys, just keep watching. As a guy and you're watching this video, believe me, it will help you a lot, because it's not all the time your girlfriend will be cooking for you, your wife or your mother will be cooking for you. Sometimes surprise them, especially when your wife is pregnant. Surprise her with the food. If you say una no know say we like to eat our guys food, their food dey sweet us So see me now, I'm done peeling the scent leaf. I washed it and kept it aside. See now, just be watching the process. So as I dey cook, na so I say make I go drink my yogurt, but e no be firewood abeg, because this process is taking a lot of time. So now I'm pounding the akwu. After pounding the akwu, I washed it as you guys are seeing. You see how it's going? That's why I say anytime you want to cook your ofe akwu, just bring out time, because the process used to take time, but at the end of the day you will enjoy the stew more than tomato stew. So let's be doing what we are doing. So guys, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, kindly follow my page, share my video, comment and like. Okay, welcome to Shomzen Official TV. I welcome you officially to my page. You are welcome. So guys, I'm done washing my akwu. Then these are the proteins I used to cook the ofe akwu. I use stock fish, dry fish and my meat. But if you don't have money to buy all this, with just your meat 1,000 naira or your stock fish 500 naira, you make delicious ofe akwu. You understand? I know some of us will be wondering, what am I pounding now? What I just pound now is ginger and garlic. I like to use ginger and garlic while cooking my ofe akwu. It's very nice and it's medicinal. Just try it. Then this one is ogiri. Some of us call it ogiri Hausa. Some they use ogiri Igbo. It depends your choice of ingredients. So guys, let's keep going. After I added the ogiri, I put my seasoning and the salt, as you guys are seeing. Then this one is my dry roasted fish, azụ amịrị. So after I put everything, then I put the azụ amịrị last, so that it will not scatter inside the stew. My stew is getting done, it's getting ready. Guys, no mind the way they video this thing. I use one hand, they do the video, use one hand, they cook. So you see, it's not easy. I never get camera person, no. So the last thing I put is my scent leaf, as you guys are seeing. The ofe akwu. Bring your spoon, bring your own plate. Let's enjoy this ofe akwu. See me now, as I'm cooking the ofe akwu, I say let me be cooking the rice at once, because agu jigodim. I don't want the rice to waste my time. That's why I cook both of them at the same time. So guys, join me. It's time to enjoy this food. So see me now, me and my Hollandia yogurt. Anytime I dey chop, I dey like to drink am. Make I dey use am dey digest my food. I dey shake to see whether e don finish. So guys, join me. You are free oh. This food don sweet me unto say I start dey dance. I start dey dance before eating this food because I know say this food too sweet. If you never chop my ofe akwu, you are missing something. See ofe akwu, I can cook it very well. So guys, see me now drinking. Thank you for watching my video from the beginning to the end, and I hope you learned something today. So as a girl wey dey watch me, try and cook better food for your man. He go propose to you sharp sharp. This year will not pass you by yo. Make I come do asebi, abeg o. I wan chop better rice and chicken. So this year will not pass you by. Amen. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Mwah!